Hello, my name is Victor Selwood from EA Technology, and I want to talk to you today about transformer diagnostic testing. When you consider that transformers are a key aspect of medium voltage and high voltage networks, and just as recently as 2009 the replacement time on a new transformer could be anything up to a period of years, the life of the transformer asset is something that should be a key consideration. EA Technology offers a unique combination of asset-based condition expertise right through to the individual testing of transformers, as I'm doing today with my colleague Bernard. Taking this sort of information, we talk at the highest levels within an organisation about the strategic planning for your electricity network, right down to the individual testing of transformers and recommendations for the individual life of the transformer. In other words, we can work from the cradle to the grave for the life of all of the assets on your transformer network. The services that we offer include factory acceptance witnessing and testing on behalf of yourself as a customer, but we also can conduct installation and commissioning tests, routine maintenance tests right through to advanced diagnostic techniques telling you the current state of an aged transformer, and in the worst case we can also help with forensic analysis, looking at the failure mode of the transformer and how that might affect the rest of your fleet as well. In my experience, you can quite often get swamped by data, trends, analysis, data from all sorts. But that's where EA steps in with a very nice approach called Health Index as part of CBRM. We take all of the statistics, oil and gas data analysis, of asset inspection on site, performance and historical rating of how the transformer has been used, and then put that through an advanced statistical analysis process to then give you an idea of the risk of failure of your transformer compared to the rest of the fleet of your transformers, and ultimately even give you an idea of the life or the remnant life of the transformer itself. But it's not just the health index approach that gives you clear, concise recommendations. We use Omicron test equipment, which is industry leading, and combine that with our in-house expert knowledge to give you exact data about the state of your transformer and its ancillaries. The tests that we can conduct include sweep frequency response analysis, which gives you a benchmark thumbprint of the current state of your transformer, so that under circumstances of faults or other activity in the future, you can see if the state of your transformer has changed. Other tests as well include using the advanced test equipment, the CPC 100 and tan delta test set, to look at tap changer continuity, winding resistance, tan delta, and the tan delta of the bushings, giving you a clear picture of the insulation materials as well. And we also use the advanced PDC FDS technique, a new piece of equipment from Omicron called the Dirana, which gives you an exact, concise and accurate value of the moisture levels in your insulation. So, if you want clear, concise recommendations on your choices whether to repair, replace or maintain your transformers in order to keep your network working at peak efficiency, you need to be talking to us at EA Technology. Thank you for listening.